Hi guys, by the time you see this video, I'll be busy with my Airbus A320, A321 type rating, which means my Boeing 737 days are officially over. Don't worry though, I still recorded a few more 737 videos, especially for you, but for me, it's Airbus life from now on. You'll be surprised how different these two planes are. But today, we're heading to one of the best fall destinations in the world. Welcome to Marrakesh in Morocco. Before we continue, I want to thank Holofly for partnering with me on this video, because let's be honest, the very first thing you want when you land is internet on your phone to contact your family, get directions or an Uber, right? Holofly gives you exactly that. They offer eSIMs with coverage in over 200 destinations worldwide with unlimited data. Holofly also offers hotspot capabilities to share data with other devices and customizable day plans, so you only pay exactly for what you need. No more expensive roaming fees and hidden costs. This means you'll never have to worry about running out of data or struggling to stay connected, all while keeping your regular SIM card. It's a true peace of mind to know that you will always be connected and safe anywhere you are. So if you're planning any trips for the upcoming year, make sure to go to their website, visit the link in the description box or download the Holofly app and enter my code DutchPaddleGirl for a special discount. Geniet van deze Boeing 737 approach in de woestijn.
$2,500. 1000. Approaching minimums. 500 minimums.
Thermisch, hè? Buiten. Ja hoor, dit is onze vaste plek. Hey, hey. Ja, Eco 5.